Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Geraldine here, and I'm back. I'm actually here. This video is going to basically be a swatching video, as well as I'm just making some press-ons. So I got these colors from AliExpress. If you want to keep on watching, usually I feature content like this or other nail stuff, beauty stuff, lifestyle. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned, keep on watching, and I'll have some exciting news coming up. Okay, so I'm back. Yeah, so I'm just basically kind of reviewing these. They're reflective gel polishes. I got these from AliExpress, I'd say a month ago, because you know how AliExpress gets down. And I actually like them. What I do notice, they are definitely not a full coverage type of gel. In other words, they're not the one swipe, one and done. These, of course, you have to put layers, because as you see, the first layer is really thin and it just doesn't give that effect. So some of them I did 2 layers, some of them I did 3 layers to really just get them, you know, where I wanted them to be. And I had a whole bunch of colors. So like if you're trying to look for something and you're on a little budget and you don't mind waiting, like myself, get these. I mean, you know, I feel like they're much cheaper versus trying to get them from Amazon, because Amazon does the same thing. They just buy them from AliExpress in bulk and they just have them readily available so they can be sent out. So it's kind of like you get what you pay for. I'm sure they have other Amazon links to the AliExpress ones, but it's okay. You know, I'll try to find the link that I got these, and I got a whole bunch of colors, so they're really reasonable priced. So yeah, so this one is the UR gel or something like that. I don't know. They have these weird names, guys. So yeah, so I'm just swatching away. I'm also going to put a timestamp located down below in the description. So if you want to fast forward through all the swatching, some people enjoy swatching. It's therapeutic for them. Other people are just like, ugh, oh my God, like shut up already. So I'll put a timestamp on the below. How are you guys doing? I miss you guys. So as you know, lately I've just kind of been posting mostly on my TikTok. I do post on YouTube, but I post like shorts. I feel like a lot of people are into that. It just kind of gets to the point. And I haven't really posted kind of like a long video in a while. So I decided I'm gonna do that. So here are all the swatches, by the way. So this is in regular lighting, and then this is what they look like in the low light with a flash. Aren't they pretty? Especially that purple one. That one is so pretty. And yeah, there you look really nice. So these are the other brand. They're called Annie's, and I didn't do a swatching with them. I just literally just painted them, and you could see the Annie's colors. The Annie's colors were a little bit better so far with swatching. So I didn't need to use a bunch of layers with the Annie's. So if you want to get the Annie's, I'll link them down below. And just showing. So like the Annie's, I got the red color. Annie's I paid a little bit more on AliExpress, where the other ones was like $1 and change or $2. I think Annie's was like $5 a bottle or $4 a bottle. And these, I actually featured these in another video. I'm gonna post my Galaxy Swirl video up here somewhere. But this features the cat eye, but they're cat eye reflective. So I guess that's what you guys didn't know. So this is what they look like in normal light. And yeah, so here we are. All right, so now we're on to the press-on. So I kind of mixed a couple of gels. I picked some Annie's. I also picked some of the other gels. And I wanted to do like a French ombre. And these press-ons were pretty good. I found these on Amazon. I thought this is really cool. Like if you just want like something quick, like some quick press-ons, like say you have an interview or something like that, these are perfect. You could go pop these bad boys on. Just, you know, put a layer of top coat, a layer of builder gel, and you're good to go. You could literally go to your lovely interview or event and they already have the design. So I bought like a bunch of those because it's a lot easier. I could do a French, but it's just a lot easier to just follow like a guideline. And of course, you know, sometimes you could see the white peekaboo a little bit, which is, it's not all crazy because they are reflective. So, you know, this is obviously the first layer. I had to do layers of them just to kind of like cover up that white completely. So that's all I did with these. I'm just going to show you how I basically, so this is like the second layers and it's starting to cover up. And that's basically what I did for these. Did nothing too special, something simple. I'm trying to kind of get out of the habit of doing too much or doing the most on my nails. Because a lot of times I encounter most people that they don't want all the kawaii style that I like, right? They just want, you know, simple nails, something workable. I call them like workable nails. So right now I'm putting builder gel on them. This is also gonna help not only with the shape, but also so far it doesn't look like it's a whole bunch of polish on top of the tip. So it kind of encapsulates all the color. And I do about 2 coats of the builder gel. It gives strength to the nail. And then later on you're going to see I had filed and buffed the surface. That's what I always do with the press-ons before I actually, you know, finish up with the design and the top coat and all that. So I'm going to step out a little bit. I'm going to let you guys rock out. It's pretty much halfway through the video, so I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest. I missed you guys. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see from me. I don't really have like a lot of people commenting. I mean, I do, but it's just like, you guys never tell me what you guys want. So yeah, so I'm gonna kind of come off of here. I'll update you guys on some new stuff that I'm doing and put you with these videos. All right, I'll see you soon. Okay, so I'm back, and so what I did, I just added some charms, some rhinestones. I'm flash curing with the flashy, putting some top coat on it, and there they are. Aren't they cute? I think they're so cute. I've been giving some press-ons to some people, like, you know, friends, of course, family. It's Mother's Day weekend coming up, so I'm definitely making my mom some press-ons. I'm gonna film that as well. And yeah, I think these are very cute. They're just like, I don't know, I just want to wear them. So yeah, my little bears. I'm obsessed with the bears. I'm obsessed with the bows, butterflies, all these different trends. It's just, my mind goes a million miles a minute, so it's like I have to kind of pare down some styles. So, but here I am, I'm showing you my packaging because I am trying to perfect like a press on line that I'm doing. So there I'm pre-packaging my product for a customer, and yeah, and also I'm gonna put it on my website too, when I get the website. I don't know, guys. Anyway, so here they are. I'm just gonna be finishing up this here, and I'll show you guys the final shots, and I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so here they are. They look beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your notification bell to the videos. Love you guys. Bye.